a world where adventure beckons and the thrill of the open road awaits. There stands a name that has become synonymous with quality, performance, and freedom. Introducing Shalimar Motor Bikes Private Limited, where dreams come alive on two wheels. At Shalimar Motor Bikes, we understand that greatness lies in simplicity. Our 70cc bike, the embodiment of elegance and efficiency, offers an unparalleled riding experience. Whether you're zipping through city streets or cruising along country roads, this bike is your ticket to a life less ordinary. For those who seek a touch more power, our 100cc model delivers excitement with every twist of the throttle. It's not just a bike. It's a statement of your determination to conquer the challenges that lie ahead. Feel the wind in your hair and the pulse of the road beneath you, as you become one with the journey. And for the fearless souls who crave the pinnacle of performance, our self-start 150cc bike is your path to unbridled adventure. Ignite your spirit as you command the roads with raw power and cutting-edge technology, all at your fingertips. Shalimar Motor Bikes isn't just about machines. It's a community united by a shared passion for exploration. It's about the camaraderie formed with fellow riders, the stories etched in every mile, and the memories that last a lifetime. With Shalimar, you're not just buying a bike. You're joining a movement. Crafted with a dedication that transcends mere engineering, every Shalimar motorbike is a masterpiece born from the fusion of innovation and tradition. Our team of experts pour their hearts into every detail, ensuring that each ride is a symphony of power, grace, and reliability. Shalimar Motor Bikes Private Limited, a name that stands tall as a beacon of quality and excellence. Our legacy is built on the trust and satisfaction of our riders, who inspire us to reach new heights every day. So, are you ready to ignite your spirit? Embark on a journey where the road becomes your canvas and the bike, your brush. Shalimar Motor Bikes, unleash your ride. Visit www.shalimarmotorbikes.com or call 0616514129 to book your adventure today.